thank you very much. These songs are so fun to do, I got carried away. It's kind of fun to get carried away anyway. Nkosi Sikalele, the first song, is the Tanzanian and South African national anthem. It started out as a hymn by Enoch Sontaga. It soon became the Pan-African anthem for liberations, so much so that it was banned by the pre-apartheid regime. Originally, after I practice this, I'm going to do it. So it's Osa. Did I get that, Barbara? Osa. Okay, kind of. Okay. I'll have it tomorrow night. It now includes sections in Zulu and other languages. The translation is, Lord bless Africa. May her spirit rise up. Hear thou our prayers. Lord bless us. Oyeni, the second song, is a song about Utata, which is a city. And it's about a boy named Hope, or Temba. You probably heard that word in there, Temba. It's a bit of a play on words, as Temba could be the boy, because he disappears at some time. So if Temba disappears, it could be Hope or it could be the boy. It's about when the Tsotsis took over the parts of the city and people went missing. I remember seeing Amistad and the shocking scenes of abuse of the peoples of Africa some time ago. Such a bad time in world history. Man's inhumanity to man always amazes me. Dry Your Tears, Africa is the main song in that movie. The words are in Mende. They were written by Bernard Dadier, a native of the Côte d'Ivoire. I'm still not getting these. D'Ivoire. The words are a celebration of the return of some of the people that were taken from Africa. The translation is, Dry your tears, Africa. Your children are coming home. We're home, Africa. Don't cry. Sing a song of joy. The music, not the words, the music is actually by John Williams, who you'll know from the Star Wars themes.
We are
Our next song, Balia di Seu, well, right about now in Aruba, which is far away from Africa, I know, they're doing their harvest. Hard to imagine for us right now. Also hard to imagine is that the people do the harvest themselves, and it's a celebration. After it's done, they basically party in the fields for days and nights. This song describes how they go in the fields with their little flasks of whatever, with their extended families, their friends, and they dance all night. The language is in Papiamento. It's a mixture of African, Portuguese, Spanish, English, and Dutch. It is only spoken on Aruba, Curaçao, and Bonaire. We would like to welcome our guest percussionists just right now, Mark Parody and Corish Bernard, and we have some help from our choristers, Lillian Strauss, Bruce Barrett, and Jean-Marc Ballanger. One more song. This is called Sisi ni Africa. The words hail from Ethiopia, but the composer is actually from Syracuse, New York. The translation from Swahili and Amharic is, no matter where one is from, we can all celebrate who we are. It's written for a friend of his who was adopting an Ethiopian child. Our soloists are Yolande Vachon and Pauline Chambers.
Sime,
not really like conducting, it's a little bit like aerobics. Wrong piece of paper. All right, the Neptunes are on next. I think I actually have to move on with this. This is our mostly male choir. Bruce Barrett is our soloist on Take Time in Life, which is the first song on the program. It's also the first song we're actually singing in English, which is pretty cool. Well, except the last song had some. It is a Liberian song, Liberian song, whose popularity spread throughout West Africa and now to Whitehorse. It is translated and arranged by Will Schmid. Actually, you can sing along with this. We'll be okay with that. On the second song, we are back to Zulu and Ndebele dialects on Shosholoza. This is a traditional freedom song from South Africa. Our soloist, Laura Beattie, does the call, and the choir does the response in this form of music. And you will note that they will move to a closer formation as I move over here by my little pet lion. So, picture a fire in the middle of the circle with the sun going down, or better yet, I hope you like our pictures, just watch the pictures. Laura Beatty on those vocals, eh? Your spirit on the first one? Okay, well, the next one we're going to do is from The Lion King. It's a very interesting piece, and in fact, I couldn't find a copy of it so for a male choir, so I ended up doing the arrangement of it. So very fun, very rhythmic. Actually need these really badly. So everyone has this concept that Elton John wrote The Lion King, but actually he wrote some of the songs. This one's by Lebo Moroke. He's a composer from Johannesburg, South of Africa. You would know him as the voice of the lion in The Lion King. In fact, I really recommend that you Google him. I'll just say that name again. Lebo M or Lebo Moroke. You would not believe this guy's voice, and he's singing all the time. So check it out on the YouTube. This is called The Lioness Hunt. Chamber choirs out next. There are our auditioned, very hardworking, very much into memory work choir. We're going to start with Gabi Gabi. This is another traditional South American, South African song. It started out as a wedding song in which the mother brags about how beautiful her daughter is, and if you don't have a daughter, too bad for you. But it turned into a really lovely, peaceful song of praise and worship. The second song we're going to do is Baba Yetu. The music comes from everywhere, including ones written for video games. This was written for the game Civilization by Christopher Tin. It's in Swahili and it's the translation of the Lord's Prayer. Christopher is from California and is best known for particularly this song. It's actually a Grammy Award-winning song. It's one of our favorites, and this is a great arrangement of it. It features Jean-Marc Bélanger on lead solo, Kathy Brandt on the more spoken parts, and also Bruce Barrett, Lillian Strauss, and Monica Langmaid.
ufalme wako duniani.
Baba yetu